Worried about inflation eating away your savings? You're not alone. With prices on the rise, it feels like our hard-earned money is just disappearing. But what if I told you there's a way to fight back? In this video, we're going to build the ultimate anti-inflation portfolio for 2026. This isn't about risky bets or complicated financial jargon. I'm talking about simple, effective strategies to protect and even grow your wealth when everything costs more. First up, let's talk about the essentials. Think about companies that sell things people need no matter what, like food, electricity, and healthcare. These are called consumer staples and utilities. Even when times are tough, we still need to eat and keep the lights on, right? That's why these stocks can be a stable foundation for your portfolio. Next, we have a secret weapon against inflation: Treasury Inflation-Protected Securities, or TIPS. It sounds fancy, but the idea is simple. The value of these government bonds automatically increases with inflation. So, as prices go up, so does your investment. It's like having built-in insurance for your money. And of course, we can't forget about real assets, things you can actually touch like real estate and commodities. Owning property can be a great hedge because rents and property values often rise with inflation. Similarly, commodities like gold have historically held their value when the dollar weakens. Now, putting it all together doesn't have to be complicated. You can use ETFs, which are like baskets of different investments, to easily diversify across all these areas. By combining stable stocks, TIPS, and real assets, you create a powerful shield that helps your money keep its purchasing power. So don't just watch your savings shrink. Take action. Building an anti-inflation portfolio is one of the smartest moves you can make for your financial future. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to make your money work for you. Thanks for watching.